Flowbee, had it since high school. Okay, so your Flowbee attachment just goes on your shop vac with a small power cord. You can see the small power cord right there, and just plugs into the end of your shop vac. You turn this on, you can see the blades going. I have a 1/8 inch adapter and a 3/8 adapter. This is for the sides, this is for the top. You want back in the house? It's too hot out here for you? It's too hot out? Okay, come on, let's go. Come on. Can cutting your own hair really make you a millionaire? Yes, it can. Let me show you how. How much does it cost for a haircut? 30, 40, 50 bucks? How can you retire on that? Easy, let's do the numbers. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just here to show you how to save a few bucks and put it towards retirement. If you were 18 and put away $50 a month for 42 years, you'd have $1.1 million saved. If you were 35 and put away $380 a month for 25 years, you'd have over $1 million saved. Let's say you waited till you're 50 years old before you started to save. $667 a month, 15 years, gets you almost $500,000. If you double that with a spouse, you're close to $1 million. If at 18 you knew you only had to put away $50 a month into your piggy bank and your retirement was secure, what would you do? I would have been a fishing charter captain. A few years as a deckhand to get your 6-pack captain's license, then I'd be on the water every day fishing. Whether you're 18, 35, or 50, the key is financial discipline. First, you need a broker. Go with one of the big companies. This is where you need to do a little research. Just fill out an online form and you're ready to get started growing your money. IRA, a very powerful retirement tool. The biggest benefit is tax-free after you're 60 years old. People laugh at me when I tell them I use a Flowbee. I laugh too, because it's funny. All the ways to save money using a Flowbee is probably the most unexpected. Side hustles like Junkernecking, turning junk into utility, something usable, or flip it for cash. Real estate or a small business, there's ways to find extra cash for your retirement. This is the way I look at it. Junkernecking is about the mindset of thrift. And through thrift, you get self-reliance. If you're self-reliant, you'll plan on a good retirement.